Engines is started with Guantanamera. Break, quick, clear start. Aguila is running by the lane. Between horses is Flash of Bliss. What's up? Dauntless comes next. Then followed by this time Toscana. Then next on line is Humble Submission. Boss G. June 3 racing second last while Star of Boya is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch. We have Guantanamera enjoying a 4 lengths lead, and in second What's Up, and in third comes Aguila. Dauntless comes next, this time moving up Boss G, and Ariel's Rumble Submission is Flash of Class June 3. Toscana still second last, while a Star of Boya is still racing in last. Inside the 3 octavo, we have Guantanamera enjoying a 4 lengths lead, and in second Aguila. What's Up this time comes next, Boss G moving up Ariel sa Rumble Submission. Then next online is June 3. Dauntless, Toscana is Flash of Plus, while Star of Boya is still in last as they swing for home. Guantanamera now racing away by about 6 lengths, and in second moving up is this time Aguila is running by the rail. Last 100 meters we have Guantanamera over this time, and finally it's Guantanamera second this time. Then comes Aguila, Boss G, Humble Submission, and Toscana.
Natin ang